Hi everyone. This is my fifth video about the Standout online workbook on this website, myelt. The first video I did was to show you how to create a course within myelt. The second video was how to create student accounts. The third video was how to enroll the students. And then the fourth video was how to assign homework to those students. This fifth video will be how to enroll the student through the sign-in page and give them the content code. So a lot of you expressed concern that the students wouldn't be able to do it or it's confusing for the student. So I'm going to show you how I do it as a teacher. So I created my course. I enrolled a student. I created her account, enrolled her. Her name is Audrey Gonzalez. So I'm going to type her name here, Audrey.Gonzalez, and I'm going to give her the password, Audrey Gonzalez. Now this was already done, so after I enroll her like this, I will send her her username and password. Please do not do it beforehand. Do it after the fact. That way she can't go in and use the content code again or try and get in. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. And you'll notice that I was enrolled in this AM class ESL 3. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button called Assignments. Now here are all the assignments. I need to enter the content code for Audrey Gonzalez. So at the end of this line, I'm going to highlight it for you. You're going to want to click this orange box that says Enter Content Access Code. From here, you're going to put the content code in this box. You'll have to go to your Excel sheet that has all the codes that hopefully you assigned to each student. You're going to copy that or highlight that and then copy it, and then you're going to paste it here. So there is my code. Okay. Now you're going to save and go to step 3. From here, you want to make sure that it's the right content code, that you didn't miss highlight or copy one, and that it's the right book name. So remember, I was in ESL 3, so the book name should also be level 3. So I'm going to go ahead and now click the submit button, and the process is complete. I've successfully added level 3 to my resources, and I have access, it says, for 365 days. So now you're going to go to the standout book. Now when you're here, this is not the assignments that you gave. This is actually what's called self-study. Everyone who enrolls, all the students that you enroll, will get self-study. So if you go up here, let me highlight it. You'll see it says Standout 3rd Edition Level 3. If you click that, you actually want to go to ESL 3 Mrs. Orozco AM. And that is now where you will see all the assignments. Now, for the student, what will happen is when they sign in again, they're not going to see what you see right now. They're going to be taken to a different page. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and sign out because now the content code was entered. So now I'm going to go back in as Audrey Gonzalez. So pretend I am the student. And now my teacher sent me the email. I have my username and password. So I'm going to go in as the student. I am Audrey Gonzalez in a past life. Click sign in. And this is the page that they will see. It will say your resources here at the top. It will give you your class. This is my class. And here is my standout self-study. So you want to make sure that they don't click the self-study activities. So this is a no-no. You want to make sure that they go to the ESL 3 and click on assignments at the bottom. Or you can also instruct them up here at your resources to click this teacher at the whiteboard. It says view instructor-led resources. So if they click that, then all they will see is this. So this is better for them, especially if you don't want them to practice on the self-study. So if they click the assignments here, now they're going to go to the assignment. So here is the pre-unit, nice to meet you, activity A. They can either click here or they can click on the take button. So let me show you. Okay, so here's the form, what goes into, so it's going to be basically highlight the correct answer. So what personal information goes on the school registration form? So the first name, the middle name, and so they will just highlight. And then once they highlight, so I need an email address and I need a date of birth. Oh, not there. Languages spoken, Japanese and English. So I'm just clicking on it. First name, middle initial, last name, my address, occupation, sales assistant, city, Santa Ana, and then I can click submit. Notice how it gives me check marks. I did the correct thing, and then you can actually show answers. Oops, I forgot the phone number. And then you close it. And notice how it now changes. It will say I got 6 out of 7 right, 85.7%. This is when I took it, and I took it one time out of 10. It took me a total of a minute, and I can retake it if I want. Okay, so now it has been set up for your students, so they should now be able to do their assignment. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.